But I know it's better with butter. You tell her that. She doesn't listen. Come on. There you go. That's the spirit. Hey, don't. One more. That's how you clean an ear of corn. Well done, Chiquitita. Complete.